London's a fantastic place to live and work as an architect, and we had the great fortune to find a small slither of land where we could build a new house for ourselves. Being our own project, it gave a fantastic opportunity to do something a little bit different. The site sits on a street with a number of black buildings bookending a larger terrace, and also on a smaller scale there's a row of 3 terraced individual houses that are all quite individually designed, and we were keen to draw on this and create something that fitted beautifully into the street. There's a particular house just around the corner, and it's got a glorious little shimmer panel, and this was quite instrumental for us in picking up on this moment that you come across in the street to recreate it on a larger scale here in our new building. One of the first parts of the design process for us was to model the facade, which we did using laser cut card and layering up elements that we could then repeat in actual brickwork. One of the things we were keen on, partly because of the other buildings that were in the street, was to find a really good matte black engineering brick, and also one that was perforated that we could use to split and create some texture in the facade. We've worked with EBM on a number of buildings, and they're always keen to get involved early in the process. Not only were they able to show us what was available within the brick marketplace, but on this particular occasion to actually evolve a whole new brick product. We were looking for a feature brick to complement both this dark black engineering brick and the mirror bricks. And we looked at a number of different brick products, and we dry stacked them all on site to see which ones work best. And then one day Erkan from EBM came back very excited with a new brick that he'd just been experimenting with, which he'd christened the Black Volcano. And we tried it out on site, had a look at it in the light and in the context of the building, and it was irresistible. We incorporated a lot of mirror-clad bricks into this elevation, and the idea was that it kind of reflected the changing nature of the day and light, and gave the building a certain transparency. And this Black Volcano brick had surprisingly similar qualities of pearlescence and differed throughout the day as the sun moved around the building. In any detailed design process, there's all kinds of challenges within the building where there's different conditions that have to be designed around. On this particular building there were non-orthogonal angles that we had to work around. One corner of the site is not 90 degrees, it's 94 degrees. Elsewhere in the building we have brick-clad lintels, so we had to reform these bricks into slips that could come around the front and underside of window detailing so that it gave the appearance of a homogeneous brick facade. It was really important to us to create something that sat well in the street and gave something back to the street. The process of doing this was a fun one and an unexpected one, and through the combination of the bricks together and the facade and how it sits on the street is one of which we're extremely proud.